In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to another user inside of Cash App. To get started, open Cash App and make sure that you have a balance available or that a bank or another funding source is connected to your account. You can do that by selecting your profile icon here on the top, choosing Linked Banks, and then choosing between linking a bank, debit, or a credit card. Make your choice and then go through the steps to connect the accounts. Once you have your bank or card attached, you can then send somebody money from your account. On the main home screen, tap the cash symbol at the bottom center. Inside of here, enter the amount that you want to send to the other user. When you're done entering that, hit pay on the bottom right. At the top, enter the other user's contact info. If you know their cash tag, the username with the $sign in front of it, enter that in the To field. If you don't though, you can search by name, phone, or email. Select the person that you want to send the money to, and then after that, you can enter a note if you want to inside of the For field. This could be a quick note on what the money is for. You can also now choose how you want to send the money. Normally in the past, you would just send it as cash, but you can now send it as a gift card by choosing that and then searching for the companies that are participating, or you can send the money through a stock or Bitcoin. Before you send the money, you can also choose where the funding is coming from. At the top, tap the amount right here, and then a pop-up menu will appear. If you have money inside of your Cash App balance, you can choose Cash Balance. If not though, you can then choose the account that we linked earlier, and it'll be taken from there. Make your choice, and when you're ready, tap Pay on the top right of the screen. The person that you're sending to will then get a notification that you paid them, and the money will be available inside of their Cash App balance. And that's how you send somebody money and more using Cash App.